Hey yo, where my Cali people at? Cali, where y'all at? Let me know in the comment section if you in Cali. You ain't gotta say where if you don't want to, but just let me know. Cali, stand up. Let me see y'all in the comment section, man. Like it's been crazy these last couple of weeks, man. Like the rain and shit. It's been crazy. Like it'll start, it'll stop, it'll start, it'll stop. I'm like, bro, it's fucking up everything, bro. It's fucking up my schedule. I can't go for my walks no more. I can't do a bunch of shit because it just starts raining out the fucking blue. But the shit I hate the most about the rain is I just washed my fucking car. Like I literally just washed it like a couple of days ago, and it starts raining. And now at this point, I don't even want to wash it no more because like every time I wash it, the sun's out, it's dry as a motherfucker. I wash my car, park it, be driving around. Next thing you know, I wake up, it's raining outside, and I'm like, bro, why the fuck do I even bother washing it when it's just gonna rain? Fuck that shit up. Let me know if you've ever had to deal with that shit or if you're dealing with that shit wherever you are in the U.S. Let me know, man. Like that shit's mad annoying. But I love the rain. Don't get me wrong. I love the rain. I love the sound of the rain, like just hitting the fucking roof or whatever. The smell, the scent of like the wet air, wet earth. I love that. It's just so refreshing, so relaxing. I mean, and that's coming from somebody who used to love inhaling the exhaust from a car. Yo, I was weird as a little kid. I was weird as fuck. Go ahead and judge me, man. It is what it is. But hey, enough of me rambling. Upchurch bells. Let's get it. This outfit looks crazy, man. The jacket, I fuck with that. Whatever he's got on, I can't really tell if it's a jacket or not, but it looks tight. Got the hair in a little bun. Got the shade, the glasses on. Woo! Let's get it. Hold up, this drummer, is that Kid? Is that I thought Kid wasn't on Creeker. I don't know, or maybe it was a different album he talked about, Creeker 2, I think. But that's Kid, right? Let me know in the comment section if I'm tweaking or not.
Combs off chickens. Daddy burned up this old town in a ragged GT with 3 different wheels. Mama read tarot cards under that moon. Spoke to God with some candles in the bathroom. My brothers and me was some rednecks coming up on a one lane. We didn't sing goodbye, we sang with straight by. All the 305.
Until the day of the church bells, we never cussed out our moms, but we raised hell. We never sang Kumbaya. We tarot cards under the. It's like this is what my life is like. This is what my life like. This is how we used to do things. This is how we do things. Let's go. Talk.
Shot BB guns at the neighbor next door. Any kid who moved in knew got a taste of that old swampy creek juice. Walked bare feet till our feet turned black as a slate on a swimming hole floor. And any car that drove by the midnight street never seen my 6-inch blade. We didn't say goodbye, we sang with straight by. All the 305. We never cussed around our mamas, but we raised hell until the day of the church bells. So dear.
What does that mean? Till the day of the church bells. What does that mean? The phrase church bells, just bells. What does he mean by that? Let me know in the comment section. Let's get it.
Mamas, but we raised hell until the day of the church bells. So dear mama, daddy, nanny, and chicken Willie above.
R.I.P. Chicken Willie, Upchurch's grandpa. I remember he talked about him in the documentary The Hollow Boys, Rise of Ryan Upchurch, and how he was like the best chicken, like, you know, the chicken fighter, cockfights and shit. He was the best, and that's why he got that name, Chicken Willie. R.I.P. to him, man. Shouts out to him, real nigga.
Mama, daddy, nanny, and chicken Willie above. I hope you're happy of the thick-skinned man that I've become. 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 We didn't sing Kumbaya, we sang with straight vibes. All the 305. We never cussed around our mamas, but we raised hell until the day of the church bells.
Until the day of the church bells. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bells. Oh, let's keep it moving, man. We got Phantom of the Pine next up. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Let's get it.